62-54, final quarter.
Number 12, intercept by number 2, Pascal. Number 19, number 17, number 17, number 17, Sakuragi Abiyo sa Rocky Kumisarete. Number 6 to number 8, but to number 27, again, wala, rebound by number 17. Number 17, pass to number 12 to number 17. Number 17, Gremlin, using the glass, wala, rebound by number 27. Intercept by number 19, Abida. My foul committed by referee Caabrillas. First team foul of MacArthur Culas. Number 77. Number 6. Number 6 on number 01. Pinakay ang ass. Number 17. Number 17, Sakuragi. Nagpa-highlights pa. Number 8, Clay. Last and second. Duhalit pa karta po yan. Number 27. Number 27.
Guys.
Number 19. Back na talaga. Number 6 to number 26 of MacArthur Cuyas, Mundala, number 6. Back to Mundala, number 6. To number 26 to number 2. Number 25. 3-point shot, black. Rebound by Sakuragi. Remember, it's conducted about to number 2, lays up using the glass. Pascal. Ito lang, outs. Number 8 to number 12. Against number 6. Number 6, blocked by number 25. Timeout. Tulusa, Parmasya, Nicola. Running score. 6-point lead for Masya Nicola of Tolosa.
64-58.
Number 21 inbounding the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Agawan. Intercept by number 2. Number 26 of MacArthur Cuyas. Pass to number 25. Conradi. Pass to Sardullao. Number 6. Magic ball. Number 6. Small Magic ball. Far away from the ball. Number 55. Number Cuyas. Number 77 to number 21. Number 21 looking at the 10 seconds to shoot against number 6. Number
17 minutos.
Basket.
Tingnan natin.
Mundala, number 6. School not terrible, but nice clear. Number 6. Watching Kogo. The number 01. Wala. Rebound by number 77. Number 77. Against C1. To number. Wala. Out. Score by Ricky Bar. Watching Kogo.
6 minutes, 41. Remaining playing time of the fourth quarter.
Number 25. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 25 to number 8. Green. 9 to shoot. Using the gas. Wala. Rebound by number 24. Number 70. Number 21 against number 26. Turn around. Wala. Rebound by number 26. To number 6. To number 8. Green. 9. Yay. My foul. Goal by Redley. What's that?
67, 62.
First personal foul of
6 minutos.
Number 8, Green, wala. Number 8 again, Sigat Kai, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 77. Intercept by number. Basket. Palapit. Tatlo, wala. Wala. 25, tignan po holding the jersey. Bagal. Naman.
13 seconds to shoot. 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining playing time.
Number 19, Avila. Yung number 1, Laison. Yung siniglan. Wala, Laison pa rin. Wala pa rin. Yung number 8. Handball. Same ball. Araw, position. Marsha Nicola.
Sana!
Number 9, Chacha. Corbarelli. Tulang pahabol. Mundala. Mundala number 6. Back to Mundala. To number 8, B. Number 8. Crowd seconds to shoot. Mundala. Score back terrible. Ang laki. Sakuragi. Mundala to number 6, Civiliano. Back to Mundala to number 8, to number 26. 14 seconds to shoot.
4 minutos, 36 segundos.
To number 8, basket. Mamalapit ka na. Lawson, basket.
4 minutos, 18 segundos.
Anim lang. Malaking kang pagbabago. nakakasiguro. Number 3, Glenn isa. Lumayo, walo na naman. Lumayo, walo. Mundala to Similiano. MacArthur Cuyas ball, number 6, small back dribble, wala. Iba for number 17 to number 24. Number 24.
Yeah! Highlights again.
Boom, kalaman. Reserve timeout, MacArthur Cuyas.
3 minutos, 26 segundos.
Similiano, number 8. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 8 for 3. Wala. Ibang ko number 24. Number 19. Padaw.
Time out na lang, time out. (76-66), 10-point lead by Tolosa. 3 minutes, 6 seconds remaining playing time. Final quarter, this is Tolosa versus MacArthur. Kayo!
Mundala.
Ano pa yung namulay Stephen? Stephen Mundala.
Sa kanya ko.
Oh, Lord.
Intercept by Patay tayo dyan!
Woo! Ginawa na kasi.
Wala! Sure ball. Number 21. Ready, set, that's that. 77. Oh, 67. Mundala.
2 minutos.
14 seconds to shoot. Back to Mundala. Lumpas to Cruz. Parang sako lagi. Sako lagi. Walay good shoot ball. Buha. Penalty Tolosa Parmasya Nicola. Number 2, Pascal. Oras pa. Pagpasunod. Wala. Ikundo, yung atrasyan nyo. Number 21 against number 8, John. Time to shoot. Number 21. Number 17, Tulo. Nawaray patay.
Nice foul. 78-68, 10-point leads by Tolosa. 1 minute and 27 remaining playing
Now in
time.
penalty situation.
Time out. Time out, Tolosa.
Time out. Tolosa Parmasya Nicola.
9-point lead.
Higa. 75. Number 1, Lelson. Number 3.
Susunod Jurujil.
Silence, hindi naging pa. Allah, 216. Basket. Kita mo. Oras may pag-asa. Pinati pa naman. Basket pa naman.
53 seconds. Points na, 78-76. Tuloy. ...35 segundos.
Tulusan rumor timeout. 14 red inbound. 14. 35 seconds. Sabi nyo na ba? Abang may oras, may pag-asa. Wala bang nakakasiguro?
35 seconds. Segundos. Basta. Tulos ha. Nice.
Oh, okay na yun, ha? 2 points lead na. 13 seconds remaining. Isa pa nga time out. Ito ba Cartor? 79-75. 13 seconds remaining playtime. Bola iton MacArthur. Seconds, 1 point lead na. wait lang. Sige, utak na. Tinapin.
Ha, kalma!
Nakuha na tinapang. Wala pa siguro. Labas sila.
Kedua. Woo! Sala, lamang. Sorry lagi help.
Seconds.
1.3 seconds. One point na lamang. Woo! Last game. $79, $78. Baru na kasi.